Hi, my name is Vatsan, and I head PLM and Engineering Product Development at SAP.
Hi, my name is Mark Landrosh, and I'm part of the Solution Management Group here at SAP. I work with our PLM Solutions, and I'm based out of Chicago.
Product Lifecycle Management has been around for quite a few years now, and it has played a super important role in the digital supply chain as we see it today. The problems of the past are not the problems that we are facing now at the moment. Critically speaking, product development, product life cycle as such is still split into multiple silos, right? And it is all about connecting these different silos of users, different silos of information, and different silos of business processes together. And that is exactly what product lifecycle management today needs to do. And that is exactly the reason why it plays such a crucial role in a connected supply chain.
Well, in addition to the technology pressures that we're seeing being introduced into the market, disruptive technologies, we're still seeing the continuing presence of customer demands. Customer demands based on the need for individualized products, the need for unmatched quality, sustainability, and all of these things put together have a very, very strong effect on the uptake of a product in the market. And what that relates to is the customer sentiment. And we need to be able to, from a product development standpoint, be able to tie into what customers say about our products, what customers think about our products, and that all goes hand in hand with the experience on the products.
As I briefly spoke about previously, we still have organizations that are doing product development in silos. There is limited connectivity between the different silos that are working together, right? So the future of product lifecycle management, we believe, is all about this connectivity, right? Connectivity across the different users who are working in the product development lifecycle. Connectivity between the designers of the product and the end consumers of the product. Connectivity between the operational asset, which is the product in deployment, and to the product designers. And of course, connectivity between the enterprise business data to the design data. So all these different silos of information, the future of product lifecycle management is all about connecting all of these together in a way that you can see a seamless digital thread flowing that considers all pieces of information across all the silos so that you can really drive good decision making. Now, enterprise product development has been built to address exactly this issue. So enterprise product development has multiple capabilities, and all of these capabilities are basically driving this kind of future of product lifecycle management. So for instance, we have visualization capability, which is basically all about connecting enterprise data to design data or to operational data and so on and so forth, using three-dimensional visualization or photogrammetry for that instance. Collaboration is all about connecting all the participants of the design process together, all the users of the design process together so that they can collaborate. Right? There is, of course, the requirements management engineering, which is connecting the end customers together with the designers so that you can build your requirements based on the real feedback that you get from customers, and you do an end-to-end requirements management based on which your products are built. And of course, last but not the least, we have the connected products. And connected products is all about connecting and enabling your products for Industry 4.0. And why we say Industry 4.0, it is all about assets that are connected to sensors, and getting these sensors and using the sensor data to build better products or to build better prescriptive maintenance solutions, right? And combining the design data and the engineering data together with sensor data to create next generation of insights that is not really possible at the moment, right? And this is exactly the focus of enterprise product development. It's all about the next generation of product lifecycle management applications.
Within enterprise product development, we're currently offering 4 key capabilities. We'll be extending these in the future as we develop new feature areas. But when we talk about what's available now, within the engineering capability, we're really talking about requirements management and systems modeling. The requirements management allows us from the front end to be able to take in requirements from, say, Qualtrics that are coming from our customers. Maybe some sentiment analysis, acquisition. What are customers feeling about our products, and then use that as a driving factor for defining the functional and non-functional requirements of our products. What's key about our engineering capability is the fact that we can tie down to master data within S4. That way, if we need to make an adjustment or a change to a particular requirement, we have the capability of doing a full impact analysis and seeing everywhere down the line from that requirement those things that need to change. And that might make us not change something at all because we would realize the cost perhaps could be too high. Our collaboration area. Collaboration allows us to set up a virtual meeting room where we can post structured and unstructured data, things such as bills of materials or documents, and share those with people both internal and external to our organization. What we're also able to do is assign roles or tasks to those individuals within this particular collaboration and ask them to do some work for us. Or if we're working with an outsourced design firm, or if we're working with a customer to help us define what their requirements are. We can also use this as a collaboration point within our Ariba solution set. So being able to work with our suppliers, post data for them there, and allow them to come in and submit their input onto the product design. When we look at visualization offers us some very unique capabilities. We can take and import engineering data such as CAD files or other types of neutral files and generate very lightweight visualizations and deliver them through the cloud. What we also allow you to do is use some authoring features inside of it to create visual work instructions, perhaps for the shop floor or maintenance procedures that somebody might use when they go out in a plant to make some repairs to equipment. The real unique offering inside the visualization tool, though, is the ability to create analytics templates. We give the capability for our customers to create these templates and have them connect to back-end data systems. What that allows you to do is, say, for example, if I have a 3D model of a valve and I wanted to query S4 as to which components were manufactured in certain countries, I could have a cross-highlighting between the report of the countries and the product itself, so I can see where the various components are coming from. What else is unique is you're able to marry different data sources together and use the visual as a navigation tool. For example, if I was able to simplify my report and see, I want to show everything that was made in Germany, perhaps, all the components. And then I also wanted to cross-reference that from the S4 data over to our product lifecycle costing data, perhaps. I could see what the costing analysis was for that particular component. And so it gives you a very unique way of merging multiple data sets together and using the visualization as a navigation tool to perform your analysis. And then finally, we have connected products. So the connected products capability allows you to create a virtual model of your product and connect it to live sensors that are on assets out in the field. From an OEM standpoint, this allows you to monitor products that you might have that you're responsible for, or you can take these virtual models and use them as a additional selling feature of the physical product. So in essence, you could take and deliver a physical product to a customer and then also take a virtual model, host it in the cloud as part of your product and services offering, and allow your end customer to monitor it themselves.
Enterprise product development helps you do three key things, right? The first thing that we want our customers to do is to innovate and build new products like they've never built before. The tools and the data and the analytics that is currently available can really help you innovate and build new kinds of products, the next generation of products. And to build the next generation of products, EPD is the next generation of product lifecycle management apps that can help you do this. Secondly, we want to provide actionable information. Like I briefly said before, if you can connect pieces of data together, it's not just about the dots that are just pieces of data. It's connecting the dots that actually provide a lot of insights and provides you actionable information, right? Based on which you can make better decisions as a product development organization. And thirdly, it is all about empowering the enterprise, right? And empowering the enterprise, it is not just empowering from a perspective of better business processes or better technology or anything else that software developments do. Our fundamental belief is that empowering enterprise is all about breaking down silos and enabling your organizations to collaborate with each other in a completely new way. And this is exactly what we believe by empowering the enterprise. So for instance, when we talk about closed loop enterprise processes, and one of the main things that we really try to enable with this product is the digital thread, right? So that you have end-to-end traceability of all the data points that you have, of all the business processes that are running end-to-end, so that at any point of time, you do not have any piece of orphan data that is lying somewhere that you don't know how it is linked to the end-to-end business process. So empowering the enterprise is all about building this end-to-end traceability and building this end-to-end digital thread.